Welcome this video. Flower pots idea for home. Flower pots are affordable, lightweight, and wide available. Make theme perfect for various project. Instant of discard old pots. You can recycle, upcycle theme into beauty and functional decor price. Here are some creating idea to transforming flower pots into stem gardening and home access. Printed pots, one of the simplest way to give pots or fresh look is by potted theme. Use plots designed for potted to label. You can create various designs such as geometric palette, effective to enhance the look, salt and plants with a clean various for long edge. Deep cup page is an easy way to add interior design to plant pots. Use decoration paper or wall fiber to cover the surface. A pair mode or a simple action to attach the design and salt it with top cap. Mouse flower pots for a stream effect decor. Reported plant mouth design break cover glass or mirror into smart price and gum theme onto the pot surface while the gum with white of effect for a possibility look. Vertical gardening wall. If you have multi-purpose plots, you can create a vertical gardening by stream or molding theme on a wood frame. This is an excellent way to save space and grow hub or smart plants on a balcony and patio. Hand plants hold on the side of potted plant and attach stood rows to create hen plants. Those are perfect for throwing plants like you can hang them on the porch balcony and gardening patio. Paglo. Indoor storage original. River pots, smart potted plants into original for often supplying kitchen unique or craft material theme to the match your decor and use theme style hold